Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Have a great brew, it's nice and cold, but keep your hands away from our pots of gold.
Yo, what's up, I'm a leprechaun.
St. Patrick's got it going on.
We'll be drinking to the break of dawn,
Or at least till the beer's all gone.
it's safe to say that I'm not sober.
Haven't been since last October.
Going to have a bad hangover.
At least I got this 4-leaf clover.
Drink responsibly, that's our motto. If you see two of me, don't drive an auto.
If you see 4 of me, then you are blotto.
If you're an Irish rock star, you are Bono. I know I'm short, but I make do. If you count me hat, I'm 5'2".
You think I'm sexy? Well, that's true.
But these lucky charms aren't for you.
River break dance.
Happy St. Paddy's Day to young and old. We hope you have a lot of fun, but keep your hands away from our pots of gold.
Robert Dreidel and the yarmulke, 'cause it's Hanukkah and it's Hanukkah.
Getting down for 8 straight nights. That's how we do on the Festival of Lights.
Throw your hands up to good, the chosen Pacifico. Holidays to which there is no equal. While the boys be jolly with their holly and trees, we be lighting up candles for Jay McAbee. McAbee telling Maca don't be asking. Maccabee kicking some Syrian accent. That's why we dreidel spinning and guilt winning. So bust out the China sets and good linen. Drink nosh and gimmicks. Speaking in Yiddish, we'll be getting blitzed off top shelf and a shoving. Now the time is right to light up the menorah. Excuse me for a minute while I bust the horror.